उर्दू, चीनी और अंग्रेजी सीखें। 学习乌尔读语，中文和英语。Learn Urdu, Chinese and English. Alif, und. Alif, und. In Chinese, we say 骆驼，骆驼。In English, we say camel, camel. Alif, mud, am. Alif, mud, am. In Chinese, we say 芒果，芒果。In English, we say mango, mango. बिल्ली, बिल्ली. In Chinese, we say 猫，猫. In English, we say cat, cat. Panka, panka. In Chinese, we say 风扇，风扇. In English, we say fan, fan. तरबूज, तरबूज. In Chinese, we say 西瓜，西瓜. In English, we say watermelon, watermelon. टमाटर, टमाटर. In Chinese, we say 番茄，番茄. In English, we say tomato, tomato. Say summer, say summer. In Chinese, we say 水果，水果. In English, we say fruit, fruit. Jeem jahaz, jeem jahaz. In Chinese, we say 飞机，飞机. In English, we say airplane, airplane. Jua, jua. In Chinese, we say 老鼠，老鼠. In English, we say mouse, mouse. Hajj, hajj. In Chinese, we say 朝圣，朝圣. In English, we say pilgrimage, pilgrimage. खरगोश, खरगोश. In Chinese, we say 兔子，兔子. In English, we say rabbit, rabbit. Dal, dracht, dal, dracht. In Chinese, we say 树，树. In English, we say tree, tree. Dal, dol, dal, dol. In Chinese, we say 鼓，鼓. In English, we say drum, drum. Zal zakhira, zal zakhira. In Chinese, we say 存储，存储. In English, we say storage, storage. Railgadi, railgadi. In Chinese, we say 火车，火车. In English, we say train, train. haru, haru. In Chinese, we say 桃子, 桃子. In English, we say peach, peach. Zarafa, zarafa. In Chinese, we say 长颈鹿, 长颈鹿. In English, we say giraffe, giraffe. Ye yalabari, ye yalabari. In Chinese, we say 冰雹, 冰雹. In English, we say hailing, hailing. Sin seb, sin seb. In Chinese, we say 苹果, 苹果. In English, we say apple, apple. Shin share, shin share. In Chinese, we say 狮子, 狮子. In English, we say lion, lion. Swad sofa, swad sofa. In Chinese, we say 沙发, 沙发. In English, we say sofa, sofa. Zwad zaif, zwad zaif. In Chinese, we say 弱, 弱. In English, we say weak, weak. Tue tota, tue tota. In Chinese, we say 鹦鹉, 鹦鹉. In English, we say parrot, parrot. Zue zaruf, zue zaruf. In Chinese, we say 餐具, 餐具. In English, we say crockery, crockery. Ain ukab, ain ukab. In Chinese, we say yin, yin. In English, we say eagle, eagle. Khain ghubara, khain ghubara. In Chinese, we say 气球, 气球. In English, we say balloon, balloon. Fe fuvara, fe fuvara. In Chinese, we say 喷泉, 喷泉. In English, we say fountain, fountain. Kaf kalin, kaf kalin. In Chinese, we say 地毯, 地毯. In English, we say carpet, carpet. Kaf kabutar, kaf kabutar. In Chinese, we say 鸽子, 鸽子. In English, we say pigeon, pigeon. Gaf guria, gaf guria. In Chinese, we say wawa, wawa. In English, we say doll, doll. Lam limu, lam limu. In Chinese, we say 柠檬, 柠檬. In English, we say lemon, lemon. Meme machli, meme machli. In Chinese, we say 鱼, 鱼. In English, we say fish, fish. Noon nariyal, noon nariyal. In Chinese, we say 椰子, 椰子. In English, we say coconut, coconut. Wow whale, wow whale. In Chinese, we say 鲸, 鲸. In English, we say whale, whale. Hay hath, hay hath. In Chinese, we say 手, 手. In English, we say hand, hand. Ye yakka, ye yakka. In Chinese, we say 马车, 马车. In English, we say horse cart, horse cart. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and press the notification bell to get more updates on our videos.